All right, so in this video, we're going to be focusing on, standard form of a quadratic. So standard form, it's just, where you have a, b, and c. It's ax squared plus bx plus c, and a, b, and c are just numbers, right? Now, a is kind of important. If a is a positive number, that means that the quadratic is going to be opening up. And if a is a negative, it means that the quadratic is going to be opening down. So now, in order to graph these, you really just have to know the vertex, and then you can just start plugging in values near that. So this is the general form for how to find the vertex of one of these. The x-coordinate is always just negative b over 2a. So you change the sign here, and then over 2 times a. All right, I'll do an example with you here. And then the y-coordinate, all you have to do is, well, it's kind of worded weird here, but it's f of negative b over 2a. That just means that once you find the x, you're going to plug it back in, and it will tell you what the y value is, okay? So I'll do an example here with you. Let's go ahead and label these. A is equal to 1, because there's a 1 right there, 1x squared. B is equal to 8, and C is equal to negative 4, although that really doesn't matter. So, all right, if we're going to find the vertex, we're going to do negative b over 2a. So that's going to be negative 8 over 2 times 1. That's just a 2. So negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. Now that is our x part. That's the x part of our vertex. So we already know this part is negative 4. All right? To find the y value, we're just going to take that negative 4 and plug it back in. Right? So we'll be doing negative 4 squared plus 8 times negative 4 minus 4. Negative 4 squared is 16. 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. Minus 4. 16 minus 32 is negative 16. And negative 16 minus 4 is negative 20. Okay? So we know that this opens upwards because of the positive coefficient there. So since it opens upwards, we know that this is a minimum of the graph. So right away, we could say the range is from negative 20 to infinity. Okay? Or we could say, the range is greater than or equal to negative 20. We also know the axis of symmetry based on that. That was just supposed to be an example for you so you know how to find the vertex. So I'm going to assume you already know how to find the vertex in the next video.